great honor for me to have artists as an audience because I write about a lot of artists and find their creative processes and their personalities and their work, of course, fascinating. So, as I say, it's an honor for me to come to you and talk about someone that you may have heard of, which is Claude Monet. And I'm going to talk specifically about his work on the late water lilies, the big ones, the big both in price tag and in magnitude. They're produced, as we'll see, at a very particular point in his life and career. And I think that's what makes them so interesting. So I'm going to really tell you the story of how they came about, because in some ways it's counterintuitive. We today experience them very differently from how Monet did back when he was painting them, and also, as we'll see, very differently from how a lot of his contemporaries experienced them as well. So I want to take us back, first of all, to Giverny in about, say, 1914, when the story of these large-scale water lily paintings starts. Many of you have probably been there, and it's probably roughly the same size today. In terms of his permanent residence, around 250 people, albeit it gets thousands and thousands of tourists, many, in fact, hundreds of thousands of tourists coming to it each year. But in some ways, that's no change from back in 100 years ago, because people came at that time to rubberneck and to try to get invitations to Monet's studio, get invitations to lunch and things like that. Because, as we'll see, Monet was as famous in 1921 as he is in 2021.